Hello my friends! Today I'm going to take you on a quick little tour of my van when I go from single to double in the back with my bed. So I thought I would show you how I put that bed together, how it works, and show you kind of what we do when we want to get out of the RV and go camp and make some music out in the desert for a couple nights and just get away. So let's go. So my mattress is a tri-fold with some memory foam on top for when it's just me. As you can see, my bed frame pulls out. This is another section, so it comes in two sections, and I will pull this side out as well. And you can see that it doesn't really go all the way to the edge here, and that's okay. The foam that I have for the other side of the bed is nice and thick and it will hold. And there it is, pulled out for two. Ta-da! So once I have the foam down, I open up my sleeping bag and cover up both sides, throw in a sheet, and we're pretty much good to go. So this is what it looks like for two. We've got clothes in here. This is where the cooler will go. We have lots of storage under the bed, way under there. Our drums go up here until we're finished driving, and then they go in the front seat. Over here I have my Jackery, which I charge while I'm driving. We have the solar panel and my window covers, and then my favorite little table that I made, which you can see more of in other videos. And that's about it. You are probably wondering where our bathroom is and our kitchen and what we do for food. Well, we are weekenders at this point because we live in an RV full time. So when we want to go places where the RV can't go, or we just want to get out of the city and leave the RV parked at the park where we are currently at, we will just pack up the van. And for food, we are sandwich people. We will pack some sandwiches in our little soft cooler with some frozen water bottles to keep them cool, and a bunch of fruit and some snack foods and nuts and things to just get us through, because for us, when we are camping, we are more interested in getting out and exploring and drumming and making music and sitting by the fire and sharing stories. So we tend to just graze. So that is where our kitchen is. It is left at home. As far as the bathroom goes, I have my fancy little pee funnel, and I bring that along with my jar if needed. And we have an emergency fold out toilet, which I have made a video for if you're interested in seeing that as well, just in case we need to find a bathroom for number twos. For the most part, we are just out enjoying nature. We are only in this van to sleep, and that's about it. Well, there you go. My van set up for two with a couple of drums, a guitar, and lots of fun waiting to happen. So thank you for following along and subscribing. Please say hello. I love to interact with you. Leave me comments. I will respond to every single one of you. And yeah, thank you for following along on my journey and coming along with me on these adventures. You know what time it is. It's time to dance! Stay weird, friends.